Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to film a day in the salon. In here we only do one client at a time, so we're only working on one colour each at a time. So I have mine and Brianna will have hers, and so it's a real VIP service and it's just really what we love doing. So that's how I run my business and just how I've found it really works. Stay tuned and I'll film little snippets of my clients today. I'm not going to film like a whole colour vlog because I did that yesterday and last week. So today's just a little bit different. So stay tuned and I hope you enjoy. We've got little baby Chloe in the studio today. There she is.
Camera shy.
Hi. Hello. Finished client number one, finished her colour. And it's time for me to grab a coffee, and I just realised I'm at a coffee pot, so I have to go all the way down to the cafe. On to client number two for today. I've got Zara.
Hello, much needed, ready to go. This will be quite the transformation.
Having a quick lunch. During the week I normally just do a protein shake because on the weekend I eat so much of the stuff I'm not supposed to eat, so it's just a way to keep a little bit healthier. My Zara's colours on upstairs. We're just going to have some lunch. Brianna's got another sandwich there and we're going to plan content for the week. So we are on to client number three, and my third client is Michelle. So Michelle it's been a while obviously since she had her hair done because of lockdown. But we're just going to do a high bed of foils and just like lighten and brighten her hair again, and then we'll just trim it about an inch just to bring it to that bob cut. like 30 degrees today, so I've had to close the blinds because otherwise it gets way too hot in here. Just finished in the salon and we had a really awesome day. We had some really cool chicks in and it was really good to catch up. And we hope that you liked watching our day in the salon. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the little bell as well too, so you get notifications every time we post a video. Also leave a comment below too and let us know what you thought and if there's anything specific you would like to see. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye.